Namo Himalaya, everyone. Oof, so sorry. Hello, everybody. Oof. So sorry, guys. My allergies are oof on 1000 today. So, guys, in the middle of what I was doing, oopsie, I thought to make a video for you guys. And this video is me documenting I'm hoping to be able to document my 500-hour teacher training certification. So let me just put you guys up on the tripod real quick. Ooh. Okay. 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay. Namo Himalaya. I'm back. We're in position. We're good. So, yes, my allergies are on 1000. And, but the show must go on, right? So I've embarked on my 500-hour yoga teacher training. That's the master's level. And it's no joke, okay? Guys, yoga has been my sanctuary. It's been the thing that has brought me amazing health, clarity, you name it. Like, it's given me more energy, and I credit a lot of who I am in this moment to yoga, my yoga practice. And so because of that, like, it started off as a health thing, and I wanted to be more healthy, more open, and and I found, it resurfaced my love and passion for yoga, and the idea of being, more flexible, allowing my body to just do amazing things, because this machine that we've got going on here is just superb. Like, we don't even understand. So I started my 500 hours, and it's gonna be a journey in itself. It's gonna be a journey in itself. But in the midst of my allergies going off, I'm sneezing every second in the middle of doing my homework. And my nose is running, I'm sneezing, and I'm thinking, oh, just go lay down, go and just, let your body do what it needs to do, and then you can start over tomorrow. And then there's this little mind on my right shoulder saying, girl, you better get that show on the road. You better do that homework. You better get it done. Because if you don't finish it today, it's going to add on to tomorrow. And then it's add on to the next day and the next day. So that's another thing that yoga has brought into my life, is like that discipline of wanting to be better, of wanting to just push through when you don't feel like you want to do anything. And those moments, guys, are the moments that you have to do it, because not only do you feel so much better when you're done, it's like, oh my god, I actually accomplished it, but you've just grown another level. You've just achieved another level, right? You've just literally leveled up, and there's just a door that you unlock when you do that. Just pushing through when you don't feel the energy, you don't feel that motivation, you just, having that human experience, and you're like, oh my god, not today, let me just do it tomorrow. So guys, it's funny because now I'm not sneezing, right? Oof, what is this? But it's gonna be an intense journey, my 500 hours. It's gonna be probably filled with some tears because I know myself, and yeah, there's gonna be some tears in the mix somewhere, but it's gonna make me stronger, it's gonna make me better, it's gonna make me more flexible in my body, in my mind, and in my spirit. And my message for you guys, if nothing at all, is keep pushing, you know, consistency, persistency, that's what gets you to your goals, right? That's what takes you to that place of freedom, of abundance, the place that you feel like or been dreaming about for your whole life, or you know, a newfound discovery is like, oh my god, that I want this thing. Persistency, consistency, that's what's gonna get you there. And no matter what, you know, no matter what's going on throughout your day, just remember why you started it. Why are you embarking on this thing, whatever goal it is that you're embarking on? Why? And if that why is strong enough, better believe that it's gonna happen, right? You're gonna find that extra energy, you're gonna find that passion to keep going, to keep thriving, to keep at it. Yeah. So that's my little rant. I'm here on my yoga mat, and I have more homework yet to finish, and maybe I'll let you guys see just a little piece of what I'm doing, and I just wanted to come on and just share that little piece with you all, and just tell you, keep going, guys, keep going, keep pushing, keep thriving, live your life with purpose, on purpose, and reap the fruits of the seeds that you've sown. Yeah, and you'll be so much happier, so grateful that you did it. Yeah, and I'll be right here to cheer you on, to egg you on. So let's get into the practice, well, the homework. Let's go see just a little glimpse of what I have been doing from my homework, and maybe I will think about having you guys come along, not every single day, but you know, just little glimpses throughout the journey of where I'm at, what I'm doing with my 500 hours, and just tap in and see my progress. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And before you top off this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share the other videos as well that I've got here on the channel. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Woohoo! I am so excited. I am super stoked. Almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much for coming in, for commenting, for sharing your energies, for practicing with me, for coming on my excursions, you know, for doing my meditations, allowing yourself to stay grounded. And there'll be plenty more of that to come. I'm committed to giving you guys videos, and don't know how I'm gonna get it done, but we're gonna get it done, right? Consistency and persistency, that's what we're gonna do. So guys, oh, also I'm thinking of doing like a Q&A, a get to know me type of video. So if that's something that you guys want to see, please let me know in the comments below. And I'll probably post the Q&A on my Instagram. Sarah Michelle is my Instagram. So if that's something that you want to see, let me know, and we can get that popping for you. So it could be anything, yoga, meditation, my life, where I'm from, you know, what do I do, that kind of thing. So yeah, I'll show you glimpses of what my homework looks like, and I'll see you all in the next video. And until then, guys, go out there, live your life with purpose, on purpose, and I'll see you in the next one. Namo Himalaya.